Autocad 2018 offers many technology and performance enhancements. The DWG format has been updated to provide improvements in the efficiency of open and save operations, especially for drawings that contain many annotative objects and viewports. Additionally, 3D solid and surface creation is now using the newest geometric modeler, which has improved security and stability. Save performance is further improved in Autocad 2018. Objects that will experience the greatest improvement include blocks with annotation scaling, mText with columns and other newer formatting, as well as attributes and attribute definitions with multilines. In addition, autosave has changed from performing a full save to performing incremental saves. If you run older releases of AutoCAD on high-resolution monitors, you may notice that some elements in the user interface, such as the content on the Start tab, are really small. User interface elements such as toolbars, viewport controls, grips, the pick box, and view cube may be uncomfortably small, while other elements, like the command line, are a bit too large. Palettes and dialog boxes may be difficult to read because some text is too small while other text is too large. Fortunately, AutoCAD 2018 offers significant improvements for high-resolution monitors. The Start tab, pick box, grips, command line, view cube, toolbars, palettes, and dialog boxes are appropriately scaled and displayed as per the Windows setting to ensure the best possible viewing experience, even on 4K displays and higher. An update to graphics performance enables you to turn off smooth line display while still taking advantage of high-quality geometry. You can access the Graphics Performance dialog box from the Hardware Acceleration tool on the status bar. Additional improvements include better performance with low-end devices and higher resolution displays, as well as for regen and redraw of hatch patterns. AutoCAD 2018 also offers significant improvements when using zoom, pan, and 3D orbit operations in commonly used visual styles. Many larger drawings will no longer degrade as you navigate around the model. In fact, the performance for manipulating 3D models is approaching that of 2D drawings.